We are beached.
Once you get put off the anchor, let's stay here.
Pull it in. You just pull it in.
Well, yeah.
Oh, that's an arm workout for sure. Just so you just get it on where it won't float away.
Like, should we do it long ways or have it so the boat can get on still?
No, just put it up. Bring it up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Just like enough where it's. There you go. Right there.
Yeah.
We'll be fine.
You know, stick out that anchor might as well.
No, we're fine. You can hang out. I'm gonna cool down for a minute. It's like tea. The water looks like tea.
Yeah.
I'm out of here, Tommy. Memorial Day weekend at the park. We paddled it home. Where's the ice cream joint? All the way over there, though, huh?
It's just around there, yeah. Honestly, but I'm gonna stay mostly dry because I think there's a sign that's like, don't be soft and wet when you.
They don't want wet ice cream.
They don't want wet floor.
Bless you. The canoe's moving away. It's beaching itself. Remember to save the dragonfly. Ew, the water looks gross, whatever I kicked up. I'm up and out that part. Please. Yeah, get into that open. Let's not hang out in this. Oh, this is where you beach up? Okay, kill it, hit it. Hit the gas, Tommy, go.
Oh my God.
Wait.
No one at the park today, huh? It's too hot. No, fish. There's a lot of fish over here, actually. It's a good fishing spot.
All right, Tommy. Thanks for the paddles, son. All right, we beached at the park. The other side of the park. Thank you very much. Sam? Thank you. Have a good day. You too.
You too.
Down under it?
I think you know that, man.
Do not know. Fish it, fish it. Give it a whack. Never seen it. I'm gonna look it up though when we get back.
I have water for you too up here.
Oh, right on. I'm good for right now. Thank you though. I'll let you know and hit you up in a minute. I got nice and cooled down. I'm floating in front of you.
What the? There's an oyster.
A clam. Right on the edge. Perfect. Ah. I can get it out of there. Yeah, I got it right on the edge of the grass, and I got grass.
You got a snake.
Oh, I might be. I've had them before.
Well, what do you do in that situation?
The last time I had one, I was afraid I was gonna snag it and then it was gonna shoot at me, but it let go. It somehow got off the hook. It was on a worm too. It was on a Senko worm.
Is it Senko or Cinco?
Senko worms, Senko, don't matter.
You know some Japanese eat fish. And it looks like something that I'd want to eat, and they want to eat it, and then I catch it. Just turn it back around. Hey!
And you're moving around a lot. You move around. It's all right. We ain't gonna tip.
I'm gonna put my tackle box on it, so I'm gonna put it. I don't want it to.
It's okay. It's okay.